What's up, YouTube? It's Random Nation coming at you real quick. As you can see, this is the way our roof looked. You see, it's could be in better shape. There's a bunch of spots where it's been leaking, where this rust and stuff is formed, and you know, it needed a good cool seal, but we just didn't have the time or anything to put all that kind of work into it. But somehow, as you can see, I got some 2x4s up here, I got some tin up here, and then we have the roof where I'm almost finished. I've made it to right here. It's literally about 15 more feet over here that we got to finish. I'll finish up actually this side right here tonight, which will be good. So once I finish that, all I got left is this side. And the reason why I'm saving this side for last is Amy don't know this yet, because I haven't exactly told her. I actually ordered over the amount of tin that I need, and definitely over the amount of wood that I need. There's Will. But I plan on, right there where Will's at, basically, we got our porch down there. I'm going to extend off and make an awning over that for, you know, when we come outside, when it's raining and stuff, we can actually sit on the porch. We're actually going to be redoing the entire porch at some point. I got a couple pieces I got to fix. Looks like I need to walk down this thing right here and screw a couple pieces back down. Which, it's not that they got to be screwed back down, but they're not tightened as tight as they need to be. So I will fix that. But other than that, we have got the roof nearly completed. I've been doing all this work pretty much by myself. I've had Will come up here a couple of times to, you know, bring me tools or bring me screws, stuff like that. But it's been a pretty good little project with everything that's been going on. So I hope y'all enjoy this. I've got to get back to work here in a minute and complete finishing up the one side of the roof. So with that being said, you can see down there, there's all the lumber and stuff we got left over still, which seems like quite a bit, but by the time we get done, there won't be much of anything left. That's pretty much it, guys. Y'all have a great day. This is Random Nation. I'm out.